So I originally decided on my Edulog to do a fun page for those of us who are about to graduate, and so I was going to just put a bunch of different tips for those of us who are about to graduate to make sure that they got their capstones in, all the different things that might come along with graduating. And everything started off great. I was able to add all of this. However, when I come up to try and edit anything and add more content to my dashboard, it says I don't have access. I've logged out and logged in numerous times. I came back to our roadmap, and when I log into Edulog there, I can see all of the things here. I commented and everything, and I can see all of the different blogs here. But when I come back in to try and edit it, or once I couldn't edit it, I tried to create a new one. I can't do that if I don't have access to my dashboard, and I'm not quite sure why it's not giving me access. I've tried several different ways to circumvent this issue, and I just can't dedicate any more time to it, so I wanted to make sure to show you that I was doing everything I could to try and fix it. I wasn't a fan of the site to begin with, and I made that very clear in my Google Sites review. So this is as much as I could do. So I apologize, but I really think there's something else going on with this site. Thank you.